How to convert image to video on Wink. Open the Wink application. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see various tools over here. Tap on the option All Tools. Now you can see all the tools available in Wink app. Scroll down. Find the section for AI tools. Tap on this option Image to Video that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to convert the image to video. You can see various options like fly, 360 orbit, bridal carry, etc. You can simply tap on the option of your choice. Once you do that, tap on the option import. After that, what you have to do is select the image that you would like to convert to the video. Once you do that, you can select the video quality. After that, tap on the option start that you can see on the screen. You can see over here you'll need certain balance in order to convert image to video. Right now my balance is 0, so I'll not be able to do it. But if you have the balance, you can simply proceed and the image will be converted to the video according to the option that you selected. Like this, you can convert image to video on Wink. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.